Today we are going to make a mini stocking gift card holder. It can be hard to find the perfect gift. Sometimes giving a gift card is the best you can do. This cute gift card holder spruces up any gift card and allows even the pickiest gift givers to feel confident that their gift will be well received. Get a head start on your gift giving this year with this fun sewing tutorial. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is print out the included pattern. This free pattern makes it easy to make cute mini stockings again and again without the headache. Lay out the pattern and draw around the boots template twice on whatever fabric you choose. I find that it is helpful to iron the fabric before you start so that it is way easier to trace your pattern as well as cut it out. For the next step, you can choose either the heart or the circle and draw it out on your complementary fabric. For this tutorial, we went with the circle. Like before, just cut out the shape the best you can. On your circle cutout, use a pencil to draw a snowflake. Just have fun with it. No two snowflakes are alike. Now for the fun part. Break out your sewing needle and stitch over your drawing with red thread. Next, it's time to decorate your stockings. Hand sew the snowflake you just made onto one of the boot pieces with an embroidery stitch. Once you have that sewn on, put the two cut-out boot pieces from the earlier step together. Make sure that the snowflake you added is on the inside, since we will turn the stocking later. Hand sew the boot pieces together with a basic stitch. Now you can turn your stocking right side out. We are about halfway through making our mini gift card stocking tutorial, and the stocking is starting to take shape. With the boot facing out, fold back the top of the material and pin it in place. Let's add a little ribbon to our mini stocking. Start by cutting a small piece. This will be the hanger for our stocking. Sew the little ribbon you just cut to the top of the stocking. I put mine right on top of the seam in the back of the boot. You can add it wherever you think is best for you and your space. Draw the upper part of the boot on whatever complementary material you choose and cut it out. Sew the two ends of it together, making a circle. Make sure it fits on the boot before you start sewing. Simply sew it on the boot. I started at the top edge. It doesn't matter if you start at the top or the bottom, as both will get sewed. You can make these so quick and easy, it really is a great one to crank out a bunch with. Now, giving a gift card can be as exciting as any gift. It is so fun to make gifts for friends and family. Be sure to check out our other sewing tutorials and projects for more great gift ideas. If you enjoyed making this fun mini stocking gift card holder, be sure to like and subscribe for more fun sewing tutorials. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content.